snowing quite a bit. These in here. Alright, in this video, we're going to do some winter camping. We're also going to do some hunting, but the video is going to be about this. You're going to get to see our setup. You're going to see what it's like. We're going to have a stove in there. We're going to have gas stoves. We're going to do some cool cooking and hopefully shoot something for once. Right? I got Matt with me today. Jesse's, what was he doing again? He had to do his nails or something. He did do his nails, but he can't come. So, yeah, enjoy the show.
Keep it cold, eh?
Yep. These tonight? Fuck. I don't even need these, but yeah. Basement workout mats. It's better. See, mine doesn't fit for these. Oh. So this right here is a stove. I don't know if you guys have seen that yet. If you haven't, I made the stove, and then I got this. It's a piece of like aluminum sign with some Velcro on it. It's gonna go on the window like that, and then the pipe on an angle. It's a little bit bigger, so it could fit on an angle. So it's about 4 and a bit, 4 and a quarter, I think. And then it's gonna stick right through, so you're gonna see that soon. And it doesn't get hot to where like this will melt and stuff, so it's not bad. Make a fire pit, eh? Yeah, you can find something. So now you guys could see how that's not touching anything, so it won't burn anything. And there you go. So we're gonna set this up. We got a lot to do. We gotta get some firewood. We're gonna collect some rocks. Set in our crossbows and then hunt for like 20 minutes.
Then we start camping.
Alright, as you can see, we have so much to do. I haven't even set this up yet. And we got Matt here. My splitting axe kind of just, you know, it's gone. So now he's using a little hatchet from the 1940s. I gotta just grab some. I gotta grab some wood. So we're just gonna set up. We were gonna, you know, hunt a bit. We probably will, but we gotta get our camp set up. We got here a little late, so it is what it is. There was a tornado here a while back, and it fucked shit up, as you could tell. So lots of wood. You want to go camping, eh? Okay, so we got the, as you could tell, the stove going. It took probably about like what, Matt? 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes. Didn't take like an hour or something like that. It's, you know, it was wet too, so I mean, it was good. And then this only took what, 2 minutes?
Yeah, no, everything was dry.
Yeah, everything was dry, so you know how I am with fire. I'm great. But yeah, we're just chopping more wood because it's all we've been doing. And then we gotta still finish packing our tent. I don't know if I showed you guys yet. So, ow! I can't see in here. So we got cots right here, right? And we're gonna have a light in here and everything. And then we got obviously the famous stove going. He's cranking. And then we got buddy heater just in case. apparently supposed to get to like minus 15 tonight, so it's gonna be quite cold. So plan is to just keep that as hot as we can. But we do have some food to cook later, and we're gonna plan our hunt for sure for tomorrow. Oh man, I can't see anything in here. Oh man, let me just turn on the light. Check this out, baby. A little adapter for the DeWalt battery. Pretty sure it only fits DeWalt. I don't know if it fits anything else.
That's probably just a wall.
Yeah, it's got 2 USBs. Got a little plug, courtesy to Jesse. Good buy. I think it was like 30-40 bucks.
That's
not
incredible.
bad. We got a little light here. Put that out. We're not gonna be using it all night, but it's good enough. That's it. Show them the setup, Matt. Got 2 cots. Jesse's gonna come here, so we're gonna just jam all our stuff probably under the cots. We got our stove cranking right now. I got to show you that already.
Got some floors, puzzle mats.
Of course, we got the mats going. Got our buddy heater just in case for when that goes out in the middle of the night. And it's absolutely brutal if you know anything about wood stove.
Bunch of shits in here. Like all this can go. Bags.
Yeah, like we could stuff it under the cots and stuff like that. So.
Yeah, that, eh? Turn that light off. That's, dude, you can't even see it.
That one?
Oh, there you go. Barely.
Yeah,
eh?
it's pretty low. Like this one, like.
That's incredible.
All right. Next thing, we're going to probably cook up some goose, some deer. I marinated it overnight for probably about more than a day now. We're gonna put some coals into a pot, and then we're gonna cook it Korean barbecue style. So get ready to see that soon. So, as you can sort of see here, I got this warming up, and I got this warming up just so it's not cold. And I'm not gonna cook actually like over the fire, but I'm gonna put some coals in here and then place the mesh on top of here, and then we're gonna do some Korean barbecue style deer and goose. All right, first thing, the goose. Just put some coals over the fire on the truck bed style. I forgot what sauce it was. We're gonna have to look again. Let's see. That's pretty good. Alright, so that didn't work as cool as it was. Probably because there's no oak, it's shitty wood. So plan B, old school style, baby. Right over the wet wood fire. That look cooler? It looks cool. I'll get a nice close up. Looks a lot cooler now, eh? More campy. Oh,
Yeah.
it's gonna burn.
Good. Yeah, I think you need to fill that pot literally to like the rim for it to work.
Definitely. Agreed. That caramelization.
Is it good?
Wow.
Really, eh?
This is the best goose meat you're ever gonna eat in your entire life.
Really? We'll see.
I guarantee you, dude. Wow.
Wow. Doesn't even taste like the goose, huh? It doesn't even taste like goose. That tastes like. It tastes like jerky, huh?
Wow.
That's meant.
Wow.
I'm gonna need that seasoning.
Wow, dude.
And that's no brine.
no brine. So I didn't put it in any brine. I didn't put it in anything. Just the sauce. Yeah, the frosted. I cut it. I tenderized it for sure.
Oh, you did?
I cut out some silver skin, not all of them, and then we cooked it over the flame. That's it. All right, everyone. Good morning. It's the first morning here. I got some sweetened oats for breakfast, and that's got absolute cardboard shredded.
Plain steel cut oats, no flavor.
Hold on, let me just hold it flat. That literally looks like prison food.
Yeah, it tastes like prison food.
We're gonna do some deer hunting today. Probably some squirrel hunting too. It's like minus 15 outside, so it's pretty damn cold. We're gonna enjoy our morning a little bit, and then we're gonna head out for sure. So he sat for a little while, and it's absolutely freezing. So right now we're just worried a little bit about our tent. It's like way colder, probably twice as cold.
Yeah, I'm not prepared at all.
Yesterday it was like -2 or something, maybe. Now it's like minus 15, 16, probably colder in here. So we didn't bring the right. So rookie move, but this is how we gotta get it done now.
Huh? I am. Minus 15, unprepared.
I say we put all this wood on top of there, and then we could just carry it. Fuck it.
Where you want to put these ones? You want to go in the tent?
Yeah, these ones go in the tent, and then these big ones I cut here, we'll do these for the fire because I want to get that going. But I want to let it dry in the sun a bit. Actually, It actually does help. So. You got a load of wood now, and the fire's cooking. So now all we have to do is probably just shoot the shit, have some fun. This video is literally like just me making a fire after another fire, and then like chopping wood for a fire, and then occasionally shooting a gun. Alright, Matt bought a new gun. Can't say what it is, according to YouTube, right?
Yeah.
But, I mean, I'll just show you. You'll know. Right in the comments. So weird how you hold it, your left ass hand.
Yeah.
Weird. That's gonna be stiff for a while.
Yeah.
You should, some people put, yeah, see? So some people put, like, shot rounds already.
Really?
Right? Yeah, in there.
Is it
Yeah.
supposed to come down?
Yeah.
That's it?
That's probably how it is.
Alright, 3-inch, here we go.
Oh, Jesus. Did it cycle? Yeah. Oh my goodness. I honestly don't think that you're ready for camping if you don't have one of these and if you don't have any of these. Would you not agree?
Yeah, you definitely need a burner, unless you're Carlos.
Like,
You just use everyone else's.
if you have this, you could like camping quick. Like I used to, when I go camping, just put stuff over the fire. But this is just, it's not primal, right? Chainsaw oil and some of this. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That looks pretty gross, but look at that. That right there. It's not, I swear. It's pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna do a little bit of squirrel hunting. Now midday. Just keep warm because it's absolutely freezing. Huh?
Oh yeah? So what am I shooting?
Okay, no reds, grays, anything that size and that color, no reds. Grays and blacks.
But
fox squirrels are like, they have a red belly, but they're way bigger than a pine squirrel.
Like, that's
so
way too small. They're like a chipmunk.
yeah, you can't hunt them. I don't know why. They're protected for some reason. I mean, they shouldn't be because there's everywhere, but I know. The sun's right in my face. It's safety. That's all on footage.
No, off the left of it. Oh, yo, that was that, eh?
Safety. You see how beautiful that was? He was mine. He was mine, dude.
Somewhere here.
See the quick draw? Just zink.
Dude, I don't know why they. Do they just stay in the same spot?
Bro, it's like 18-0 here. They're always here. Give me a gun. Here, you go first. Dogger, go ahead.
Oh.
Go ahead. You know what? You guys.
Is it fucking chambered?
Around. It's loaded. It's chambered. You just have to safety it when you're ready.
Okay.
Show you how easy it is. Yeah, I can't be throwing shit while we're hunting, dude. We have guns here. Alright, now I got some veal steaks. I'm gonna cut up into cubes. I got butter going. I got celery, onions, and I got some sweet corn. Here's some potatoes. I'm just gonna make some stew. So that's that. As that's going, I'm gonna get these cut up terribly because they're frozen, and drop them in on high, let them brown, turn on low and let it simmer for a bit. Shouldn't take too long. Let's drop these in here. Up, cover it, and then we'll throw in everything and put it on slow after. Should be ready before dark. Alright, put these in here. Got it. Absolute slot. Alright. Alright, here's the final product. Absolute darkness. There we go. How you guys liking it?
Incredible, man.
Great.
Fantastic.
Would have been nice with some
Squirrel meat?
cotton game, but
Not bad. That's a plan B.
It's really good, man.
Alright, this is the last morning and we had a little mishap. Let me just show you for a sec. It's snowing quite a bit. Jazz, you sure that's gonna make it? You sure that truck's gonna make it?
I don't know. It's a Chevy. Usually, they don't.
So this half, obviously, you could see like it's pretty dry, and then you got the buddy heater. But because the stove went out, and I didn't even bother. It just, hold on, you see that? It's just dripping everywhere. we didn't even bother to put a tarp, which would have helped dramatically. So this is the issue we're facing right now, and everything is just soaked. I slept pretty good, to be honest, but it's gonna take forever to dry our stuff, so we're gonna head out of here, pack out. I slept like 9 hours, so it wasn't that bad in this kind of weather, right? So it's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it wasn't much anything else, but literally like lighting a fire. But you got to see us go for a little bird hunt, squirrel hunt. Saw me, Mr. Bird, completely. But other than that, we're gonna head out of here. It would have been nice if it was like snowing like this all weekend, but just started now and we did not bring anything for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I haven't been making much, but as ice fishing season comes, we'll definitely be making more. Please like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.